The facility which I am managing is Ellwood Texas Forge, Houston. Our prime asset, the most valuable asset, are our closed die forging presses. We have like 11,000 ton press, 6,000 ton press. So the press complex itself comprises of like big hydraulic system. Like we have 12,000 gallon tank hydraulic system with installed capacity of like almost 10,000 horsepower. Our most critical area, that is forging department, and in forging department we track our downtime. That was like before using eMaint was close to like 10% of the total production time that we allocated, and today I'm very happy to say like it is now 3.8%. So that has been accomplished with several initiatives that we took, but eMaint was the driving factor to tell us like how we are doing, tracking our performance and calibrate wherever required. Over the years, in terms of breakdown, what is our type of work order being generated? Out of that, how many are PMs, how many are corrective, and how many are breakdowns? So we were able to take appropriate action to control our downtime. Also, like for the PMs, so there are various stakeholders. Like PM, we divide by who accomplishes the PM, like it's a maintenance or operation or contractors. And now with eMaint, we were able to control and take action where to bring the PMs to compliance level, that is 80% in our case. That way we were able to improve our performance, and that's a continuous process, but we feel like every day we are getting better.
My favorite thing, the PMs, we're able to get a lot more detail and information in them compared to our older system. And then also one great thing which I actually spoke up about in Nick's X4 classes yesterday. So every morning at 7 a.m. we have a morning maintenance meeting. And one of the things, actually the first thing that we look at is the interactive plan. So when I started taking over the eMaint duties, I went in there and I made a field on the work order request form where if somebody says that asset is down when they create a work order request, it automatically turns that red on the interactive map. So every morning we go in and look at that and go, okay, these items are red. They weren't, by the time when we left yesterday at 5 p.m., they weren't red. What happened? What do we need to do? What do we need to get on? So it's helped us focus where we need to go each morning.